What's up, everybody? Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the GlowDock from ANJANK, I guess that's how you want to say it. This is a 5-in-1 wireless charging station for your nightstand. It's Qi 2, so 25-watt charging, and very cool. I've been actually using this for a couple weeks now. I have it open right over here already because it has been on my nightstand, and I really like this thing because it is kind of an all-in-one solution to keep your nightstand clutter-free. You don't have a bunch of cables and chargers going everywhere, and it also gives you a nice bedside alarm clock, and a little light. So we're going to take a look at it here. Like I said, 25-watt magnetic charging, silent cooling, and bedside organization. I'll also have a link down in the description to this. It should be coming out here shortly. They said it will be releasing around July 12th. And I'm recording this on the morning of July 12th, and it is not, or the afternoon of July 12th, and it is currently not on Amazon yet. I don't have a link for it just quite yet, but I will link you guys to their Amazon store so you can take a look at some of their other products and see this when it comes out. And as soon as they send me a link, I will update it as well on the in the description. So it is powered by USB-C. They do give you a power adapter, but I'm just going to be powering it off one of my power banks here because I don't have an outlet at my desk. So I'm going to plug it in, and it does save the time. I'm not sure how long that lasts. There's no kind of like replaceable like AA battery like an old style alarm clock. But I've had it unplugged for about 24 hours now in preparation for this video. And as you can see, I plugged it back in and it goes right back to the correct time. So pretty cool. We've got your alarm clock controls up here. Plus and minus used for setting the clock or the alarm. So to set the clock, you just hit the clock button right here. Set your hours and minutes. And you can also do 24-hour times as well. The light button right here will toggle through different colors for the light. So there's a few different ones to choose from. And then back to the white light. And on the back here, there's actually two little dials, and the one on the right here controls the brightness of the clock itself, or you can completely turn it off. So you can just rotate that and choose whatever brightness fits your needs, so you don't have it, blaring at you at night. And then same for the light up here on the top. Not only can you toggle it through here with the last setting being off and then different colors, you can also change the brightness on here, and going all the way to the left also sets it off. So I leave it about, I don't know, probably 45-50%. Kind of gives my nightstand just a nice little glow, but it's not too bright at night. Don't have my AirPods with me right now, but there is a little AirPod dock over here. I'll just kind of show you with the Anchor headphones that I have right here next to me. You just put your AirPods case right on there. And this will charge these as well. But it is made to fit AirPods with a little indent right here, and they just lean up against the back. Same thing for the Apple Watch. That just goes right here on the top, and it has a little rest right here so it doesn't slide all the way down, but it kind of props it up so you can still see your screen a little bit. And then my favorite part is the Qi 2 magnet right here, because with this built-in alarm clock, you don't need your phone propped up. So you can stick your phone right here. It will start charging. Again, up to 25 watts with Qi 2. And it is lifted up a little bit so your phone gets some good air circulation under there. That's what the silent cooling is referring to. There's no fan or anything like that built in. It's going to be, making noise next to your nightstand like some other brands have. And it just props it up and lets air circulate underneath the phone. One cool thing I like about this is with your alarm clock and your clock right here, you're not constantly having to look at your phone. Your phone's still on your nightstand if you need it, but you don't have to wake up your phone or look at your phone and get distracted and start scrolling through stuff at night, keeping you up at night, because if you need to look at the time or glance at the time or, have an alarm, you can do it right here with the clock that's built into your charger. So it's an all-in-one solution for your nightstand, and it works very well. Like I said, I've been using it for about 3 weeks now, and it charges everything very quickly. The watch charger does not charge as quick as like my Anchor stand does, but I charge my watch overnight, so I've never in a situation where I'm trying to fast charge my watch. So it's not a huge deal for me. If you're somebody that like charges your watch like while you're taking a shower or getting ready in the morning, you might want to have another charger for that. Because this does not charge it super fast if you're trying to do like sleep tracking and stuff with your watch and then top it off during the day. But other than that, works great. Like I said, it does save the time. So if I unplug it here, say your power surges or something like that at night, the alarm is not going to go off with it powered off. But when the power is restored, you don't have to worry about setting your time again because it does save the time and all that kind of stuff. So you don't have to worry about that, having to reset it if your power surges, or if you unplug it and want to move it around or travel with it or anything like that. You can do that without having to go back through that all the time. So pretty cool. Like I said, I will leave a link down to their store on Amazon in the description. And when this is available, I will also update it with a specific link for this. I just reached out to them and asked if they had a link for me yet. And as soon as they send that over, I will update you guys with that. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.